is the Flourish Budgeting app homepage. From here, user can log in or sign up. So I will use some login details that I had from before. This uses Firebase authentication. Once a user is signed up or logged in, they are taken to the dashboard where they see various analytics and statistics about their expenditure. For example, the budget overview, category spending. They also get a login streak. How many days have they been logging into the app? So this category spending part, it shows you your spending for each category over a certain period, which the user can select. So you can select this month, last month, 3 months, etc. And it would show you the expenditure per category for that period in a bar graph format. And there's a key under the graph showing that which color represents which category. Only the categories that have expenses associated with it are shown on this graph. And then under the graph you have a minimum goal and a maximum goal for that period. So for this month the minimum goal is 23 and the maximum goal is 230. Under that you have category budgets, which shows which categories have been overspent, which have been underspent. So for example, the first one, the budget is 23, but it has been spent, what has been spent is 102. So this progress bar shows red to show that it's overspent. If you look at the third one, MOL, that the progress bar is green and it shows that quarter has been spent of the budget. So this is a visual representation of how much of the budget has been met. And then there's a log of recent transactions. For expenses that have images, the images show with that. So create category and set budget were part of part 2. So let's go into currency converter, which is one of our additional features for this for part 3. So if we set our base currency as USD and the quote currency as ZAR, we say 1 USD, then that would tell us 1 USD is 17.78 rands. This uses exchange rates API to get the live exchange rates for these currencies. Going back, the next button that we have here, view all badges, is part of our gamification feature. So this shows all the badges that have been earned. So this user has earned the first budget set badge as well as these other two. Badges that are not unlocked would show in gray. So I'll sign up as another user to show the how the budget is, how the badge is earned. So this is a new user. I signed up as a new user, so there's no budget or anything currently. So let's set a budget for June 2025, this month. Let's say the minimum is 200 and the maximum is 2000. You save it and it shows that the minimum is 200, the maximum is 2000 for the budget. So when the new user adds an expense entry for the first time, so let's just add a new category, for example test, and the budget for this category is 230. We add our first expense under this category, and let's say it's for 100, which is under the budget of 230. And then when we save this expense, then